If you are looking for something natural to do for your number 11s, those frown lines, this is the video for you. So this is a face taping tutorial. If you're new here, make sure that you subscribe and click that bell so you get all of my latest and best natural health information. Okay, so how do we do this? Well, we're going to easily now spread our skin where those number 11s may have formed and then affix our tape. So I have either the K tape, which is a little bit stretchy, the kinesiology tape, which you can use in the area. I don't recommend getting black. It's just, I wasn't thinking when I ordered, because then it looks like you've got black tape on your skin, but that's okay. It's great for my demonstration purposes. You can also get, of course, the tape from the first aid tape, which is not as sticky. So sometimes this has its benefits as well. And it's the breathable type of that first aid tape. Both of them can be purchased in your local drugstore. Okay, so, or pharmacy. So here we go. So I'm going to use this one. I'm going to just take a little piece of my first aid tape, cut that, and I'm spreading that skin. So with my fingers, I'm spreading that skin and basically applying the tape to that number 11 area. Then I'm pressing it down and just allowing my skin to relax. Now I do this at bedtime, which is great. I also have been known to do this at the office, and my team is very well aware that Dr. Janine does strange things, and they don't really give me those weird looks anymore because I don't care. And this is a great way, of course, to relax those muscles, especially the corrugator muscle in this area, which often is causing that frowning and that tension in the face and minimizing those lines, those number 11s. Now, when you do remove your tape, you're going to move always against gravity. So starting at the bottom and lifting upwards very gently. It has an exfoliating effect, which is amazing as well. You'll be amazed because those number 11s, you're going to be like, where did they go? This is incredible. So I want you to share this with your girlfriends. And hey, the guys might be interested in this as well. Today I talked all about face taping tutorial for the number 11s, those frown lines. I hope you've got some questions or comments for me. Please drop it in the comment section below. Be sure to share this video as well and give me a big thumbs up. If you're new here, make sure that you subscribe and click that bell. Everyone has a calling in life, and one of mine is to educate you how to live your life in tune and in line with nature. Thanks for watching.